Well guys, this is the video for today. I hope you liked it. It's another day at Haulover Beach Sandbar with my friends of Yacht Jericho, the Pershing 90, that it's available for charter here in Miami. So if you like the content and you like what I do, remember that I'm a yacht spotter here in Miami and I upload videos constantly. So if you like boats, yachts or cruise ships, then this is the channel to subscribe to. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on another video. Take care.